Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Bullhorn Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Bullhorn Payroll Login. Then scroll down a little bit. There you can see Bullhorn Login. Or just go to the universal.bullhornstaffing.com. It will then take you to the login portal of Bullhorn. There, enter your username and your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Bullhorn Payroll. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.